Hello everybody, here we are again in the SimWorks PC-12, wonderful aircraft. And if you're like me, very impatient, don't want to go through full checklists, just need a quick start to enjoy the aircraft, then this is the point. Just a very quick start with only the essential, in my view. I probably missed things, the essential things in the checklist just to get started, get away all the warnings on the warning panel and get flying. Okay, so here we go, jumping straight in. Well, we're in the ambulance, so yeah, we've got to get moving. So you go into the cockpit. This is again very quick way of starting, just very short start. Okay, first thing, overhead, standby bus on. We go the inertial separator that opens, seat belts and non-smoking signs on. Then we have to do this EPS test here. Just hold the test button down till the lights come on. That's it, and then we'll arm it. The yellow light should come on, and then we're going to put the batteries on, which are here. Oops, sorry, I missed. And then of course the nav light, because we're going to start up the aircraft. So that's the before start, very short and checklist done. Now before the start, we're going to put the beacon on, starter switch. We're checking the NG here, gets to about 13%, I think it is, and then we put the condition lever ground idle. There we go, and that should start up. A little bit of sound, hey? Should start up the engine, and we're started, and that's it. Just tidy up a couple of things here, the warnings, and there we go. Get the GPS loaded. Okay, after start. Right, very important also. We're going to put the generators on. We're going to put the avionics on. Then we can do standby bus. We don't need that anymore. We can do the that's the cooling system, air conditioning. Turn it on. You can play around with that. We'll leave it as it is for the moment. Cool is good. The EPS light should be out. Yep. We have to do the ECS, which is the pressurization, to auto, and flaps 15. There we go, flaps 15, done it. Okay, so we're done and started, but unfortunately we have to do one more thing or two more things before we fly, otherwise this stick pusher warning is going to stay on the panel here for the whole flight. Yeah, and then how we do that, we go up to the overhead, press the pusher warning. Okay, I'll show you here, actually put the yoke back in, and we push the power lever forwards. We get a stick shaker, it'll go off, then it'll come back on again, and to stop the test we press this red button here. Good, and there's our stick pusher test done, and I believe the co-pilot would do that also, but you don't need to do it in the sim. And the last thing we have to do is the cabin pressure. Okay, so that's here. It would also, like we say, we're going to use it in auto mode, and you set here the before you take off, cruise altitude is here, the small scale, cabin altitude is the big scale here. We're going to fly at 17,000 feet. You do 17,000 feet plus 500, which is about there. And as you're flying, you can adjust the cabin temperature. You can adjust it here also. Yeah, and there you go, ready to go. Super, what a great aircraft this is. And thanks, see you soon.